Damn, this blew my mind. You clicked on this because you want to know if Artistry 4.0 is legit, and I'm here to show you exactly what it can do. From generating full coloring books and merch mockups to cloning thumbnails and editing images with zero design skills. No subscriptions, no credits, just one tool that's been quietly replacing Canva, Placeit, and Midjourney in my workflow. In this video, I'll walk you through the features, what's new in 4.0, how I'm using it to make real products fast, and yeah, the discount code's in the description if you're ready. So watch till the end, or don't, but if you're serious about creating and keeping more of your profit, this is the video that might change everything. Let's get into it. This thing turns your ideas into ready-to-sell digital products in bulk. You want a coloring book of cute animals? Type it, boom, page is done. Want a children's storybook that illustrates itself with consistent characters and doesn't look like it was drawn with a crayon in the dark? Type your idea. Boom, full book, every page. Characters that actually stay looking like the same character. No weird eye drift, no extra fingers, just magic. You ever tried making clip art? It's the most boring hustle in the world until now. With Artistry, you just write the concept and boom, a collection of clip art files ready to upload to your store like you're the AI-powered Picasso of Etsy. Struggling with YouTube views? Yeah, this part got personal. This AI literally analyzes your videos and generates thumbnails that look like Mr. Beast is about to click on it himself. And here's where it gets disrespectful in the best way. You can upload a photo of someone special, and Artistry turns them into the main character of their own illustrated storybook. We're talking full-page illustrations. Want to make money turning people's pets into art? Upload the photo, click generate, and boom. Now you're a professional pet portrait artist. You didn't even lift a brush. So yeah, that's Artistry 4.0. If you're still on the fence, ask yourself this: are you really trying to grow your brand or business? Or are you just going to keep wasting time with overpriced subscriptions that do half as much for twice the money? This tool has replaced Canva, Placeit, and half the AI junk I used to rely on. And I paid for it once. The link is in the description. Use code DEAL10 and grab it while it's still a one-time payment. Because let's be real, these companies always switch to monthly once they catch on. If this video gave you value, hit like. If it saved you money, drop a comment. And if you're serious about creating faster, cheaper, and smarter, this ain't just a tool, it's your new unfair advantage. I'll catch you in the next one. Go click that link. Don't sleep on this.